Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you are fine and good. Now, like the River Dash game available now, and this is the more interesting and good game. And I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this game meters that because some of people sometimes not to be completely watching my video, then he nothing understand no. So guys, completely guide to you and how to be complete to be this game meter that because I will be completely guide to you how to complete to be 5000 meters. So guys, this is the more important video for you and I hope you will be never skipping my video and completely watching now because I will be totally helping to you and I hope you will be completely enjoy my video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and sharing my video because I will be more helping to you. Guys, you will be see I'm already download this game River Dash game. Okay guys, so this is the more interesting game and I will be totally helping to you. This is the more interesting game now and something I will be explain you. Okay, a check manual, sweep the right and left, the collect doubles and they give you options. You will be not to be using these options. So guys, I will be starting game. This is the more interesting game now because guys I will be completely guide to you because some people sometimes not to be know how to complete to be these games and be carefully every this staging now. This is the real and good applications game and I like it so much. So guys, listen me. Here be also to be one of the ads options to be available now. Here be. So you will be never skipping these ads because this is the more important options for you guys. This is the interesting options because if you watching one of these ads like with 30 to 20 to 10 seconds, so then you will be collect to be triple squeeze. So this is the more interesting options because if you want, if you have more have like the storage spaces. So when you will be start this game and I'm be starting this game, I will be download this game today. So guys, you will be first of all more storage you will be purchasing not to be fast to be you want to be complete to be this games. First of all you will be storage more storage like me maximum 50 above you will be storage purchasing then you will be starting this game because this is the more interesting game. And first of all you will be storage purchasing then you will be starting this game now. And because sometime like my mobile so much hang now, so they not to be good working this for you, I'm sorry. And before you will be never skipping add the options because this is the more important option for you. Okay, so guys, here be also to be available x3 at the option. Sometime they available, sometime not to be available no, depend on your luck because sometime they available no or sometime not to be available no because this is the different type game. And if you find here be also to be one of the add the options, so you will be before purchasing one of the storage space maximum 50 to above you will be buy storage and then you will be starting this game and you will be easily to complete to be this game because sometime my mobile not to be good working So guys, just to be only normally I will be talk to you. You will be first of all storage space you will be purchasing then you will be starting this game and you're easily to complete to be this game. And when you will be starting this game and your internet to be working because like be using all of the options Wi-Fi internet they all of working because then if you not to be good internet, so then you will be never receiving your reward if you complete to be this game that matters. Okay guys, you will be checking, like we have a problem so much to be not to be good working now, because mobile hang now so much. But I will be explaining you all about. First of all, you will be starting this game, you will be space storage you will be purchasing now. This is the more important option for you. Just to be playing to you and like we show you. Okay, so guys, you will be checking, this is the more important option for you. I will be explain you. You will be first of all storage space is now maximum 50 above. You will be storage space purchasing, then before you will be starting game, and you will be never skipping x3 at the video. So I hope you will be understand now, then you will be easily complete to be your task. So thank you so much for you watching my video.